Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're enjoying my videos and learning so much. Friends, you subscribe my channel? Still not? Oh no, please subscribe my channel, like my videos. Okay friends, let's come on today's lesson. Today's lesson is letter H. Now learn sound of letter H. Do you know? No? It's okay. I will tell you. It sounds ha. Say with me. Hard. Friends. Is a sky letter. You know, sky letter start from skyline. First line. Friends, now learn some animals from her. Hen. Horse. Hyena. Hippo, my favorite. Hare. Hamster. Fast. Now learn some words from her. Hat. I wanna wear. Ears. I have a black ear. Horn. Loud. Honey. Healthy and yummy. And I like honey. Hand. Join your hands. Helicopter. I wanna fly. House. Beautiful house. Hammer. Fix. Talk. Now it's your turn. Are you ready? Now tell me some new words from her. Good. Hockey. Who wanna play? I hope you enjoy it and learn so much. Thanks for watching. But wait. Subscribe my channel and like my videos. Share it. Give me a good comment. Later. Bye bye.